Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear chart on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your chart on your TradingView app on your phone, first open up your TradingView app and you land on this interface where you can see the chart button available for us at the bottom left corner of the screen where I'm tapping currently. Just beside the watch list, tap on the chart button at the bottom left corner and you land over here where you can see the pen icon available for us. Tap on the pen icon where it says fixed range volume profile, and on this interface you can see there are a lot of tabs. Now you will be required to tap on the tools tab over here. You can see there are a lot of tabs over here on this interface. Just tap on the tools and you can see there it says remove all off, and tap on the three dotted icon just where it says the remove all over here at the bottom left side. Tap on the three dotted icon and you can see either you can remove or clear your chart of drawings or indicators. If you want to remove all of the things on your chart, clear out your chart whole totally, just tap on the delete icon or that button instead. You can just see and tap on the remove all, and all of your drawings and indicators will be cleared out from your TradingView chart. And with that being said guys, this is how to clear chart on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.